We are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting and related words in English, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. In British English, this is said as nuisance. Nuisance. You do want to stress on the first syllable. Note the new sound here at the beginning. Nuisance. In American English, however, it is usually said as nuisance. Nuisance, with more of a new sound rather than a new sound. Nuisance in American English versus nuisance in British English. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting words in English. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.